Welcome back to the channel, Manny B Investing, MBI. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using the Indigo protocol. Once again, in the previous videos, we've claimed staking rewards. We've deposited or staked our INDY, and we've signed that contract and showed you what that looked like and how to do that using Giro wallet and depositing collateral so that we can interact with smart contracts on Cardano. So we're going to continue to do some smart contract interaction. So what did I do in the previous video? So I claimed my rewards, got those rewards in our wallet, 50 INDY participating in the project, their governance voting in the forum. So what we're going to do now is we're going to participate in the first DAO governance vote on chain. So this is more of a formality. It is a historical thing for Indigo, their first governance vote. So what we did in the previous video was we staked our INDY. As you see in the top bar here, it shows that we have 0 INDY available because that INDY is staked. So you would click on the stake. It shows your positions. So we have 50 INDY staked in a pool, in a staking pool, and that's going to churn out rewards as people use the platform. So the better Indigo does, the better the people that stake in the INDY stake. So as people use, it generates fees. Those fees and such go to stakers. So let's take a look at the current proposal. We have a proposal here. ID number 1, voting ends December 7th. Let's take a look at it. So since we're staked, we get a new interface. We get a vote yes or no. So it looks like provisional result is pass, but just because of the sheer amount of votes for the yes. So this is basically, I don't know what kind of person would vote no. Maybe they're just trolling, but there are some no votes there. This is all stuff that was kind of already done, already talked about. We're just going to ratify it on chain and kind of mint it to the blockchain as something that was voted on. So this is all of the different things, the token generation event. They've done all this stuff, the liquidity, the LBE, they're doing that right now, I believe, over on MinSwap. And this is just to kind of ratify all of the things. Ratify, accept, adopt, and agree to all aforementioned documents and information. If this temperature check is passed, and upon the deployment of Indigo, this proposal will be initiated as the first on-chain governance proposal for the Indigo DAO. So this is just being part of history in this moment, and we're going to go ahead and vote yes. My vote is yes. My voting power is 50 Indigo, which isn't a bunch, but it puts you in the game. And of course, this is an on-chain thing. So it's going to lock in your 50 INDY, and it's going to do a transaction fee of 0.12 ADA. We're going to do it just to show you how it works. So it builds the contract, it balance. And then we sign the contract. It confirms the contract on chain, and then we kind of go from there. So we're paying 0.52 ADA as a fee for the network. So it's about 18 cents, and we're going to go ahead and confirm. We're going to enter our password. We've already done collateral already, so that collateral will stay there, and we can continue to use this wallet to interact with smart contracts. So it's going to go ahead and confirm and mint this vote to the blockchain, showing that my wallet address voted. So this is all kind of decentralized. It's not connected to me as an individual. This is just a wallet address. It doesn't know who I am. It doesn't know what my name is, but it shows that I voted in this proposal, the very first proposal. So that's super cool. So that's going to end on the 7th, and it'll expire on the 14th, and it'll go into effect, I believe, immediately after that. So I've got my tokens locked in. It's pretty cool. So unlockable at the end. So at the end of the voting period, so that was a question that kind of popped in my mind as I was going through reading the pages, the whole locking thing. How does that work? So when the voting is over, so it locks your token in until the voting is over. Once the voting is over, then it unlocks it. So December 7th, a couple of days from now, my tokens will unlock and the votes will be tallied and it'll either pass or not pass. And I believe it's going to pass unless somebody jumps in and starts voting no, which I doubt will happen. It'll pass. So that's what that is all about. So you're just using your tokens to vote. And this is all optional. You don't have to do this. But I figured since we've been on this ride with Indigo since the beginning, I want to be a part of the first governance vote. So I'm gonna show you what that looked like, how that worked, the process, and we're kind of learning together, learning how this all works. So yeah, if you have any questions about INDY, shoot me a message. You can hit me up on Twitter, but make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.